Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time, hi, my name is Blossom Chinwe. In this video, I'll be showing you a detailed step-by-step process of how I wash my hair. This includes the washing technique, detangling technique, everything needed to minimize shedding and breakage during your hair wash day. I'll also be showing you the best protective hairstyle for hair retention and also hair growth and everything I use on my hair. So if this sounds like something you'll be interested in, stick around with me to the end of this video. And please don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. So without further ado, let's dive right into it. I have a very thick 4C hair, so parting my hair like this just makes it easier for me to work with. So if you have a grown 4C hair, just part your hair. You can part it in 2s, 3s, 4s, just depending on what you're comfortable with. So as you can see, I'm gently using my hands to detangle a little bit. Then after that, I pour water on my hair. So this is very important. I'm trying to saturate my hair with water, like make sure it is completely drenched with water. So you can see I'm just doing this on one side. When I'm done with this side, I'll go over to the other side. After my hair is thoroughly wet, it's time to shampoo. I'm making use of the XHC T3 shampoo. So while washing your hair, ensure you are doing it gently using your fingertips. Don't be too harsh or aggressive while washing your hair. If you do, you're only going to hurt your scalp. So when I'm done with the first part, I move over to the second part and I just repeat the whole process. I drench my hair with water and I wash gently, and then I just rinse off completely. And this is my hair after washing twice. I did the whole process twice just to make sure my hair is thoroughly washed. Then after that, I go in with my XHC T3 conditioner. I make sure I massage this into my scalp very well. After that, I let this sit for about 10 to 20 minutes. I wear my shower cap and just let it sit for that 10 to 20 minutes. This would help to trap in heat into my hair and just open my hair cuticles, and would help the conditioner work better, more efficiently. After the 10 to 20 minutes, I take it off, and as you can see, my hair is softer. Before now, it was really difficult to use a comb through this hair, but now at least I'm combing it a little bit. While my hair is still damp, I will go in with my leave-in conditioner. So this is the new hair conditioner that I got. You remember in my last video, I made mention of changing my hair conditioner. So I'm still trying out this one to know how it's going to work for me. So for this part, I'm going to work with smaller section because I'm trying to deep condition my hair. For proper application of this leave-in conditioner, you'd go from you're going to apply this conditioner from your roots down to your ends, and then use your hands to gently detangle your hair first of all before going in with your comb or brush. Okay, so after using my hands to detangle, I'll now go in with my white tooth comb just to detangle it more. Then after that, I will now go in with my detangling brush. Please, if you use your detangling brush first, you're going to increase the amount of shredding you would get. So it's just best to use your hands first to detangle, then you go in with your white tooth comb before going in with your detangling brush. That way you're going to minimize the amount of shredding and breakage you will get. And also don't forget to do this in small sections like I'm doing. Yeah, it's going to be easier for you to work with smaller sections. So after detangling my hair, I'm just going to style it into its twist just like this. So I'm just going to repeat this whole process from hand detangling to wide tooth comb detangling to your detangling brush. I'm just going to repeat the whole process all over again for the other parts of my hair, and then put them into twists like you're seeing in this video. So this was the amount of shredding and breakage from my hair. So the following day, I took off the twist because I wanted to braid my hair. I wanted to do micro twist in the salon, and then I noticed the hair wasn't dried inside, but the outside was looking dry, but the inside wasn't dried at all, hence the white cast you can see on my hair. But that wasn't an issue because once the hair dried, everything just went off. But can you see how easy it is for me to comb my hair? Like, I've never really combed my hair like this in a long time, but this leave-in conditioner just made my hair softer, and I was able to comb it without any difficulty. So this was the mini twist I did. To me, this is like the best protective hairstyle. Not only does it prevent your hair from breakage or shrinkage, it also grows your hair. I've noticed that anytime I make mini twists, my hair grows longer than when I make cornrows. So you see this mini twist, the minimum I'm going to have it on is 4 weeks. That's 1 month. I always like to leave my mini twist for a very long time before taking it off. Now I'm going in with the hair products I made mention of in my last video, and I'm going to just take piece sizes of each of these hair products, and I'm going to apply all of them, like the mixture, into my hair scalp. Massage that deeply into my scalp. This shit right here works. It works. So while I'm on this mini twist, I always do this 2 to 3 times weekly, like applying the whole hair products I have on my scalp. I do it 2 to 3 times weekly, and whenever I lose this hair, I'm still going to record myself losing this hair. You're going to see the growth difference. So my advice is, if you want your natural fussy hair to grow, first thing first, put it in a protective hairstyle, either cornrows, mini twist like this, or any other protective hairstyle you know or you like, and let your hair rest. You cannot keep taking off and making your braids every week. Like every 1 week you are taking off your braids and you expect your hair to grow. So if you're carrying a protective hairstyle for a reasonable number of time, let's say 4 to 8 months, you are going to grow your hair, especially when you combine it with good hair growth products. Okay, so guys, this is the end of this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a very huge thumbs up, like and share. So until I see you in my next one, have a wonderful week. Bye.